Hey there, I am Chris Palmer and I have a great link building video for you today. If you want to know how you can start building relevant links, increase your traffic and authority while you're making money, stick with me. So in this video, I want to share with you a client of mine, bestforbride.com. Take a look at this. So as you can see, the campaign that I'm going to be referring to started in February. All right, a little bit before, but mostly in February. So as you can see, we're able to significantly go, all right, from 18,000 visitors a month all the way up to 25,000 visitors a month, an increase of like 7,000 or 8,000 monthly visitors. Now, on top of that, I want to share with you some of the promises that I'm going to give you today. If you want to get more traffic, get more related referral traffic, build more website authority, and you want to get related backlinks cheap and or free while you're building content so you get even more traffic, and you want to get paid, this is the video for you. So check this out. Again, we're going back here. It's bestofbrides.com. Great guide. This owner is great. If you're ever in the Toronto area and you need a wedding dress or a bridesmaid's dress, this is your guy. Anyway, let's go ahead and keep talking about this. So if you take a look at this, we'll go in here to the backlink analytics. I'll share with you the 1,000 referring domains that we were able to build for free. Free, other than time. 1,000 related niche specific links, free. Okay? And on top of that, we made money the whole time. So this is what makes it so great. And when you realize how easy this can be for you, I'm going to lay out the blueprint and share with you some of the strategies that we used so you can utilize it in your own niches. This works for affiliate. This works for local. This can work for you. And it's very easy to do. Very easy. Now, I want to share this with you, though, as a caveat. This particular business has been in business a long time. This business is a staple in their community. This business knows a lot of people in the industry, especially locally. So that is a slight caveat. So there was a small advantage because people know who this brand is locally. All right, so I have to let you know that. But when you take a look at this, when we scroll on down here, you can see that the referring domains, if you take a look at February until now, you can see that there was an increase of 1,000 referring domains. And if you build backlinks, you know that 1,000 referring domains is probably like 5,000 backlinks. 1,000 referring domains is quite a lot to get for free, especially when they're niche specific. Stick with me. So here is the strategy, and it all starts with having a main website that is known inside the industry. Again, this is Best of Brides. They're a staple in their community. They've gained over 1,000 referring domains, over 5,000 backlinks, and they've increased their overall traffic, 8,000 visitors a month, all while increasing top line revenue. All right. It's amazing. And the strategy is very simple, and it all starts with one beautiful image. Let me share with you the image. The image looks just like this. I want to share with you what I mean by it all starts with an image. Now, Best of Brides, again, primarily, their number one, what they sell is dresses. They sell bridesmaids dresses. They sell dresses, garments, okay? What they do not sell is wedding hair in Toronto. Another thing they don't sell is wedding planning in Toronto. And the list goes on and on. But this is two examples to share with you the strategy so you can go back to this and make sure that this all happens for you. All right. So take a look. Again, they do not sell either of these products, but they do have an authoritative name in the area. So what do? When you want to build links, get traffic, and make affiliate or lead sales? All right. Take a look. If you take a look at what we have been able to do here for Best of Bride, let's go ahead and open this page up. Like I mentioned before, it all starts with an image. In this case, and you could be more creative than us, but take a look at this image. Best Wedding Hair in MUA in Toronto. We have nominated people in the area that offer related services in exchange for a small write-up, some photos, and of course, to showcase our image on their website. And of course, don't forget this, maybe work out something as far as traffic or affiliate sales, or maybe even a light commission for some of the things that we could bring to them. If we bring customers, hey, maybe we could work something out here. I don't sell this product, but maybe we can work together, right? They're showcasing their winning nomination on their website, which can lead to traffic and of course a link to us. And then on top of that, any traffic that I get for them, I can get paid on it. So again, let's get back to the strategy. So if you take a look here, it all starts with you guessed it, an image. It's actually creating a badge that can be showcased on the competitors or semi-related websites. Now, if you take a look here, these pages are not light. These are massively large pages, 7,000 words. How about this? Wedding Planner Toronto. Take a look at this. If you take a look at Best for Bride, we're ranking number 3. Take a look at this. How many words? 9,300 words. So these are huge pieces of content that can, once, as time progresses, rank for hundreds and hundreds of keywords, get tons of traffic. So there's a massive amount of value for the person that you're telling about, hey, you want to get nominated and get on our page? Like, the potential here is massive. So if you take a look here, we've now created our winning nominations. All right, so this is 2 really good examples of the pages. They're ranking on the first page. The next piece of it, especially if you already have relationships within the community, right? Maybe you belong to the Chamber of Commerce, or maybe you're friends with people in the surrounding areas in your niche. Could also work with other non-niche specific, but the backlinks won't be as high quality. Plus the chances of them converting the leads goes down. You can see some of the issues with that. But if you just care about traffic and links, hey, do whatever you want. I'm giving you the strategy, right? So we've created our badge here, and then we just reach out to our friends and say, hey, oh, you do event planning? Great. I've nominated you. I know you're one of the best in the area. Send me over a little bit about your company, okay? And send me over some of the relevant information that you would like me to add inside of the nomination. Send me the content, send me the photos, and I'll give you the nomination badge that you can proudly display on your site. And of course, if you click on the site, do they display it? Well, of course they do. That was part of the agreement. As you can see here, it's proudly displayed, giving me a backlink and any traffic that is derived. In most cases, in some of our affiliates, we get a commission for, and if it turns into a lead like wedding planning, is very expensive. That's a high ticket lead, all right? So again, I'll share with you another product that we don't sell, which is wedding hair. We don't do wedding hair. And then here's a better one. Toronto wedding hair and makeup. Here's another one. The makeup and the hair. Just hair and just makeup we also did too. But take a look at this. So we're ranking, here's that's Wedding Wire. That's this, Best of Bride, number 5. Come inside of here. Again, same thing again. We have our nomination badge. We then reach out to all of the best people in the area that do these particular services that are niche related and willing to work with us. We nominate them. We ask them for content. Look at this page is huge. This is a 10,000 word article. Look at, there's tons of content on this page. Niche related, niche specific. Look at this write-up. Huge, huge articles. And of course you click on this. What do they do for us? Well, they proudly showcase that they have been nominated by bestforbride.com. We're now able to get a backlink, affiliate commission, a lead, get relevant traffic potentially, and send them traffic. It's a win-win for everybody. I hope that you like this strategy. I hope that this makes sense to you. It's very easy to do. It's very easy to accomplish. It's not difficult. It might be a little bit hard if you're just starting out and you have no credibility at all. But all it takes is a little bit of outreach. You don't have to have 10 or 15 different people on a page like us. 2 or 3 is fine. Those hyper-specific, niche-related and county-related or state-related links coming from niche-specific websites, they mean the world. So in any case, I hope this gives you some great ideas. I hope that you can increase your overall referring domains and your traffic and your overall sales month to month. I hope I delivered on each of these promises. My name is Chris Palmer. If you have any questions at all about link building or how you can start building backlinks while you're getting paid for it, let me know in the section below. And I always look forward to seeing you in the next link building, how to get paid for creating backlinks video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.